Hey everyone, today I decided to try the Aveda product that we use at our salon. I use the Nutriplenish Curl Jelly to give some hold for the twist, and I also use the Nutriplenish Styling Treatment Foam, which is a very light foam to give some type of holding as well. So first, I detangled the hair and parted the way I want her hair to fall. So when I do the twist, I usually mix the product first on the hair. It kind of helped me to speed up the process a little bit. I part the hair in section and I detangle the hair. When I twist it, I use three of my thumb, my index, and my middle finger. I twist in and out. So you will, like a rope twist. I don't know if you ever done a rope twist, the same technique. Just twist one over the other, one over the other. And you kind of decide where you want the hair to fall. So for her, we decided she wanted the hair coming forward. So I twisted the hair, I parted in a circle and brought it forward. This is a simple hairstyle that you could wear for a week and then take it down to have it wavy for another week. So you have two styles in one. If you like it, thumbs up and let me know if you have any questions. I'll be glad to answer them. Thank you and enjoy.